Nike has revamped its 2025 road running collection by simplifying its lineup and introducing shoes that balance comfort, performance, and affordability across 3 tiers. A highlight of this refresh is the Comfort Ride EasyOn, modeled after the premium Vomero but built for accessibility. The shoe offers a plush, cloud-like feel through its thick EVA-style midsole, Duralon rubber flexibility, and cushioned pucks on the outsole. It further enhances usability with a breathable padded upper, secure midfoot support, and an EasyOn collapsible heel system, ideal for runners shifting between walking and jogging. While it doesn't include elite features like ZoomX foam or Zoom Air, it delivers solid performance at a lower price point, making it a practical choice for everyday runners. Nike has teased upcoming colorways, light silver, black on gray, phantom, and Sequoia, though official release dates are still pending.